Right, good afternoon everyone. Today we're going to be looking at conventional versus non-conventional thinking. So in grade 10 you were introduced to three concepts. The first one being non-traditional thinking, which is thinking in a new way. And I love this quote from Albert Einstein where he says, "We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them." So it's this whole idea of thinking in a new way, going off in a new direction. The second concept we spoke about in grade 10 was one called Contrarian thinking. That means going against the popular beliefs. So everyone might say that this is the right way we need to go, but a contrarian thinker will say, absolutely not, I'm going in a totally opposite direction. So going against popular belief. The third concept that we looked at in grade 10 was lateral thinking. And that means simply looking at a problem differently. So to kind of look at the difference between lateral thinking and conventional thinking, I've got two boxes. The box on the left says, this type of thinking looks for changes. It looks for what is different. It doesn't mind chance interruptions. It accepts interruptions and explores the least likely direction. So the question is this lateral thinking or conventional thinking? Let's look at the box on the right. This type of thinking chooses. It looks for what is right. It concentrates on relevance and it moves in the most likely direction. So in other words, it is predictable. So what do you think this box is? Is it lateral thinking or conventional thinking? So let me give you the answer. The box on the left is the lateral thinker. The box on the right is the conventional thinker. And remember, conventional is pretty similar to the routine thinker. The next concept we're going to be looking at is indigenous thinking. So if we say or look at the word indigenous, it means come from a place, all right? So indigenous thinking or indigenous knowledge refers to knowledge, practices and skills developed by indigenous people to improve their quality of life. These are practices that have been practiced for many, many, many years, but many have been overtaken by modern development. So this type of indigenous thinking is slowly being recognized and being revisited to solve current problems. Examples include herbal healing, a vegan diet, solar heating, how to collect water, how to preserve water,